option.
Killing a person is
It's
not
the
a solid...
best option.
No.
Doing counter, na? Doing
no.
counter is the best option to clean the society.
We in fact need to understand why he did it. We need to read his mindset. It's very important to read that. Like, Saddam Hussein was assassinated.
Yeah.
Why did we do that? See, it was good, right? It was good.
Yeah.
But at least government should have read his mind. Because he was
Or
very
after
intellectual.
reading, what do you want to
We
do?
could have captured Pakistan. We could have captured America. We could have captured Iraq. We could have captured Iran. We could have captured Afghanistan.
I don't want to talk about personally about Mr. Shahrukh Khan. There are so many things. And there are so many
he
people.
is
They are
drinking
causing-
wine.
Sir, they are.
Zaya Bachchan taking bath in the wine. She is very good. She is beautiful.
Sir, what about Sri Devi?
Sri Devi.
She died because of
She passed
alcohol.
away? No.
Because of heart
No,
attack. Yes, sir.
because
She
she
consumed-
got heart attack
No,
while taking
because
bath.
of alcohol.
You need to understand.
Sir,
She was in
because of
Dubai.
alcohol.
Yeah.
Many students has lots of
Many
students have lots of good point,
Exactly.
but they are not able to speak that time. So I want to say that if exam should not be there, then student can be go ahead.
Okay. For example, if as you have given the example, there are many people, they have so many points, right? But they are unable to express. If CAF sir is not going to conduct competition, they will be just like Jhurru.
So conduct
Exactly. CAF sir is conducting kind of the examination so that they can just push themselves to go ahead.
Very less opportunity to do it. Even they are talking about education, but they are not giving
My
education.
dear बहिनी, मेरी चाची, मेरी दादी, मेरी आपा, जो भी आप मेरी लगे. I want to say, and that is why you all got notified for the debates. It is buddy debates, guys. Excuse me. Earlier, we already have done multiple buddy talks. In buddy talks, we have interacted informally. But here in this buddy debates, we all are going to argue informally. Well, why? You must be thinking why to debate and why to interact informally. When it comes to talking about informal interaction, we actually open up ourselves. We actually talk unflinchingly. I mean to say that we just talk without any fear, right? Without any heebie-jeebies, right? We just simply continue talking. So I want you to consider me a brother. I want you to consider me an uncle. I want you to consider me your friend. I want you to consider me whatever you want, guys, whatever you want, right? So if you consider me anything, you can talk to me informally. But if you think and consider me a khadus teacher, then you will not be able to express your thought actually, right? So in this buddy debates, let's be friend, let's be a kind of family member, and then debate with the CEO of Bal Talk. My goodness, don't disrespect the name of Well Talk, okay? Before few days, a girl made a call and said, "Is this Bell Talk? Ne Talk? Bell Talk?" I said, "No, I'm sorry, it's wrong number." She was right, but she said Talk, na? How can I listen disrespecting? Can I say Apandra? I understand. Yeah, I understand that. But it hurts me. I know she was beginner, she couldn't pronounce. But see, CAF, if anybody mispronounces the name of CAF, I can feel okay. But Bell Talk?
We all respect Bell Talk.
My goodness, that's my blood.
Yes, sir.
So everybody, have you decided the topic to debate?
Yes, sir.
You guys are not excited, I'm sorry. What is this? Master, what's going on? Mithai lao, pehle mithai khilao loko. Which mithai do you want, guys? Are mithai of speaking? Do you want mithai of speaking?
Yes, sir.
I think you guys need mithai of scolding. Should I scold you?
No, sir.
Are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Do you have topic?
Yes, sir.
Can you debate?
Yes, sir.
Can you argue?
Yes, sir.
100%?
Yes, sir.
Still, I cannot see that excitement, guys. Until or unless you show the excitement, I cannot go ahead. I'm sorry, guys. What's this, guys? What's going on?
There are so many people, they have eaten so much and now they are feeling the...
Really?
Yes, sir.
The person who has eaten, they can go and sleep.
We will show our energy in debate.
So what do you think? You will win today or Caps will win today? Really?
Yes, sir.
Raise hand, who will win? Oh, they will not win. Thank you for losing already, right? So, I would like to welcome everybody from, this conference. And this is going to be buddy debate, everybody. You can abuse me, not that abuse of mother and sister. You can abuse me, set up. You can say that you are not knowledgeable. You can say that get out. You can say kaf brother. You can say kafawa, no problem for me, because it's just an informal debate. I'm not your sir, guys. Let us collaborate each other. Let us cooperate each other to build our communication, right? So, who is the most excited to come in front of me or before me and have words with me? And the janta, these people are the umpires. Yes, sir. They will decide who wins, okay? And you will be given at least 5 minutes to debate with me, okay? Have you decided the topic? Please come. Everybody clap for Bhupendra. Can you pass this microphone lovingly? Yeah, excuse me, you have to. You look just like more informal than me. Exactly. At least I'm in tie, right? So, hi, Mr. Upendra.
Hello, sir.
Don't say sir, okay? Just hello.
Hello, Cap.
Cap? Where's my cap? How happy he is calling me Cap. Cap or calf?
Calf.
Yes, thank you.
Oh.
It hurt me again. How are you?
Sir, I'm great.
I'm happy.
Yes, sir.
By the way, so have you decided the
Yes,
topic
sir.
to talk to me and debate with me?
Yes, sir.
Which topic have you decided?
Sir, modernization and development causing pollution.
Modernization,
And development causing pollution. Like,
development.
yes, sir.
Could you say development?
Development.
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 Okay. Is it causing
Yes, sir.
pollution?
Yes, sir.
You are saying yes, it is causing.
Yes, sir.
Not at all.
Sir, it is
Go
causing.
ahead. Why?
Sir, now we can see that in Delhi, a person or people, they are living, they are smoking per day 1 packet of cigarette. And it is causing cancer, and it is really impacting the human life and decreasing the human life and ages.
okay.
So it is concerning. And why it is happening? Because we are using number of vehicles there in Delhi. And that's why it is increasing, like the gases, SO2, MNO2, CO2, all these gases. And these gases, because of these gases, we are not able to breathe the pure oxygen. And it is very unhealthy for our health.
First of all, you must be clear with the topic. The opinion you are sharing, that is not modernization and that is not development of this country.
Yes, sir. Because of development.
If you are developing yourself, is it causing you?
Yes, sir. It is not causing me,
So-
but in Delhi,
so
sir, Delhi,
yours-
sir, there is only one city in Delhi, and number of population they are living more than 12 or 15,000 in 1 kilometer. But there are so many places there. People
What is
can also
modernization
live.
according to you?
So according to me, modernization means the availability of hospitals, schools, and the companies, each and everything where we can get easily jobs.
Not at all. That is not modernization.
Sir, according to me, this is modernization.
According to it may be that, but according to me, that's not modernization. You are
Sir.
talking about availability of anything.
Yes,
It's called
sir.
modernization.
Sir, this is modernization, and all the equipment like the smartphones, the availability of the metro train and also the flight aeroplane and
It can be
helicopter.
digitalization.
Sir, digitalization is also part of development.
It is development, but I was talking about what do you understand by modernization?
Sir-
You said that development.
Sir,
is
nowadays
called-
we all are using smartphones, and because of smartphone, there
That
are
is
so many
also
companies like what of
digitalization. You mentioned about pollution. Of,
Sir, pollution.
The pollution of Delhi you were talking about,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Is it causing it? Is it causing just because of modernization?
Yes, sir.
So you accept modernization in other terms as well.
Like what, sir?
Like I'm wearing tie, I'm putting here tie, right? I'm just talking to you. That's my development.
Sir, it is professional, sir. In profession,
It is
mechanics also
development.
there are so
It's
many.
development of mine.
No, sir, it is not development. You are applying tie and
This
shirt
is
and
a
t-shirt.
bottle of- okay.
Sir, because of this, we are using multiple class in cities.
Let me tell you.
Yes,
this
sir.
is the bottle of wine. Will
Yes,
you
sir.
drink?
No, sir, I will not drink,
But
sir.
I will drink. It is beneficial for me.
No, sir,
It
Sir-
is beneficial for me.
Yes, sir.
Likewise, modernization, how you are
sir,
taking.
it doesn't mean it is beneficial for you, then you will kill each and everyone. You will not take care of our whole society and whole population. You are
Who
ambitious
are you
person.
to, who,
Sir, you are
just
ambitious
shut up,
person.
Just shut up.
Yes,
Simply
sir.
saying that
Sir,
wine.
they will follow you. Sir,
Who
they will follow
are you
sir.
to say that drinking wine is not good?
Sir, it is increasing domestic violence, sir.
Excuse me?
Yes,
How
sir.
many times Shah Rukh Khan has done that?
Sir, multiple time. He
Uh,
was a smoker,
domestic
great-
violence.
Sir, he was great.
Domestic
smoker.
violence.
Sir, in his speeches, he has
How
spoken.
many times has he
Sir,
done
he has
domestic
spoken-
violence? Just
sir,
tell me
he-
first
sir,
of
he
all.
has spoken that
He
multiple
is
times.
known one of the most caring husband of the world. And you are saying domestic
Sir,
violence?
he was talking-
Now prove me first of all domestic violence.
Sir, they are-
I'm sorry.
Sir, you
domestic
are
violence.
targeting-
Domestic violence.
Sir, you are giving only.
I'm sorry. Domestic
sir,
violence.
I'm giving you sir the
please.
example of. Sir, he has two sons. Sir, I don't want to talk about personally about Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. There are so many things, and there are so many
he
people.
is
They are
drinking
causing-
wine.
Sir, they are.
Zaya Bachchan taking bath in the wine. She is very good. She is beautiful.
Sir, what about sir? What about
What?
the heroine, the Sri Devi?
Sri Devi.
She died because of
She passed
alcohol.
away? No.
Because of heart
no,
attack, yes, sir.
Not a, because she
consumed-
got heart attack
No,
while taking
because
bath.
of alcohol.
You need to understand.
Sir,
she was in
because
the
of
way.
alcohol. No,
Yeah,
sir,
I'm
because
sorry,
of
you're not
alcohol.
knowledgeable.
Sir,
Why did you come here
sir,
to
I'm
debate with
knowledgeable
me?
because I'm talking
You are
about the
not
pollution.
debatable.
Sir, I'm
you are not
talking about
debatable.
pollution, but sir, you
you
are
don't deserve to
manipulating the
debate
point. Sir,
here.
I deserve
You are
very
not
much.
eligible to
Sir,
debate.
I
I'm
am
sorry.
eligible and
Sri
deserve,
Devi,
that's why I'm
first
here.
of all, you need to understand why and how she died.
Sir, because of the alcohol consumption,
Not
she
at
gets
all.
heart attack
She
and she was
passed
having
away
bath in
because of
Chuff.
heart attack.
Sir, let's
She
come.
was taking bath and she died.
Sir, please
By
come.
the point was here alcohol, and I have proven you that drinking wine doesn't mean to cause anybody. It is up to people how he is
But
taking.
the
how
today's topic is modernization and sir,
I'm
it is causing
saying that how
pollution,
you are
sir.
taking,
Sir,
how you are
pollution.
taking
Yes, sir.
modernization.
Yes,
how
sir.
you are taking that matters. I am taking modernization in a beautiful
Sir,
manner.
modern people because they wanna have each
You
and
are
everything.
saying pataka, pollution, mobile phone, these kind of things are harming people. No, man.
Yes, sir, because we are manufacturing so many products. We are using the cloth, watches, and like the accessories, smartphone, more than 2 and 3 smartphone. Because of that, we are using plastic and all the metals, and we are doing.
Okay, I agree with you. Let's stop this modernization. Let's stop this development of this country.
Yes, sir.
Then let's become like Pakistan.
So no, there are so
Will
many
you accept that?
No, sir.
Will you accept
Sir, in
that?
Pakistan, there is most pollution, sir. Pakistan is most polluted
Array, the
because of
country will become one of the most poorest, one
No,
of the
sir.
poorest country it
Our
will become.
country known
How
as
can-
for our agriculture. And in agriculture,
Without development, can you grow your agriculture?
Yes, sir.
Without
We can-
modernization, can you
Sir,
grow your agriculture?
Sir, there are multiple ways, organic
How?
ways, natural ways through which we can grow our crops.
Organic, you're talking fertilizers.
Sir, yeah, fertilizers
It is
and
not
also
useful nowadays,
Sir,
buddy.
also the methods, the way we were
My friend,
we were
it is
producing the
not
fruits.
useful nowadays.
Sir, it is useful, sir.
How many people use
Sir,
gobar
not
ki khaad?
use-
Tell
sir-
me, how many people nowadays use gobar ki khaad?
Sir,
Tell
everybody
me.
in villages. Sir.
Nobody
They
does
are
that.
purchasing from
I'm
the
also
farms.
farmer. I know
No,
very
sir.
well.
They
What
are
about
purchasing
urea
on
ki
Flipkart.
khaad?
Sir,
What about you? Without potash, urea ki khaad, can you grow your
Sir, I'm
agriculture?
agree-
It is
Sir, I
impossible.
agree with that, but there are so many states like the Seven Sisters of the Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura, and they are not allowing people that they should use the chemicals in their field, and they are growing.
See,
That's
it
why
is-
the life
It
expectancy
should
is
not
there.
be allowable anywhere. It should not be allowed in Uttar Pradesh as well. But we are compelled to use because without using that we cannot grow our
Sir, I'm
agriculture.
sorry, sir. Because of this mindset, we are causing and increasing the diseases
You are
like
just
the heart
changing
attack.
your statements, Bari. You're
No, sir.
changing again. From here you came
Sir,
there. Now
I
you're
have to
moving.
change.
You are
I have-
changing again and again.
So I'll do because I have multiple points. That's why, sir, I'm changing.
Be on the point, buddy.
Sir,
Be
what,
on your
sir?
words.
Sir, yeah, I'm.
Your word that ki you can grow your agriculture
Yes,
and you
sir.
can grow your crops by organic fertilizers.
Yes, sir.
Tell me in Uttar Pradesh, how many people do that?
Sir, in our villages, that side, they all are using.
Nobody
sir, the cow
does.
dung.
Nobody.
And anyway,
Without
because
potash,
of that,
I am the son of a farmer, buddy. I know
Sir,
very
I'm
well.
also, sir, but
so,
mostly, but you are
without
saying they are
potash, can
not
you
using-
grow?
Sir, they are not using. You are saying that they are not using. You are false, sir. You are wrong. They are
Nowadays,
using,
we
sir.
are growing potatoes.
Yes, sir.
This is
and
the
they are
season of
adding the
potatoes.
cow dung in
Without
their fields.
potash, can you? Without urea, can you? Without germicide, can you?
Sir,
Without insecticide,
sir,
can
we
you?
use all,
It is impossible.
Sir, we all use for more production. And after planting the seeds.
And
in
that's the beauty of modernization.
No, sir, this is the
Exactly, yes.
No, sir,
Or
this
if
is causing.
population of this country is
But
more,
what about the
buddy,
pollution,
if we
sir?
don't grow more, how can we
Okay, sir.
avail that? How can we provide to the people of
Sir, what about the diseases?
species? Okay,
They are getting
now
vanished
again you're
from
changing
our
your points.
Sir,
Now
because
again
of
you're changing
pollution,
your
I
points.
have to change that, sir. Because of our mindset, because of our craziness, because of ourselves, we are always.
Now you're saying that species are extincting just because of modernization?
Yes, sir.
Not at all. Not
Sir,
at
there
all.
are so many towers like the Vodafone and Airtel because of there are so many species.
Brother, that's why I gave the example of wine.
Why-
Why are you just using it in excessive manner?
Sir, wine also we can make at our home the way we
can
were
make,
used in
but
ancient
don't-
ways.
But don't drink it extremely. Just like that, if you're using this modernization, this development of this country over than over, it's gonna harm you.
But most of the people, they sir drink over and over.
So it's the fault of people, it's not fault of
No, sir,
modernization.
it is fault of people like
Not
you
at
who
all.
are making the
Aye,
example
aye,
in
no,
society,
no.
sir. We should not, because it is not good, sir. If you will ask to your parent will never allow you that
If
you
I
should
give
drink.
you a gun to shoot a person and you are going to shoot many people, is this your fault or gun's fault?
Sir, why I'll do this?
No, if you shoot.
Sir, I don't believe in if and but. I believe in facts.
Now what is this?
Yes, sir.
You're also saying that if
No,
if,
sir.
if
Sir, tell me, if you ask,
Okay,
sir, if you ask permission that you should
I'm
drink
not
or
gonna
not.
use if. Ajmal Kasab came from Pakistan, okay? Killed so many people. Whose fault is
Sir,
this?
there was one
Ajmal Kasab's fault or gun's fault?
Sir, what is
Tell
your
me.
favorite species like the bird? You
I'm
love bird or
asking
not?
whose fault is there? Guns or Ajmal
No, sir, I
Kasab's?
don't want to talk about the terrorist in this debate.
No, you are speechless, buddy.
Sir, why
Thank
am
you
I
very
speechless?
much.
I have
can't
multiple
debate
words
with
and
you. I'm
topics, sir.
sorry.
Sir, I am sorry.
Upendra,
Sir, I am
nice
talking
to
to
have
you.
words
Sir,
with you.
no, sir.
Nice to have words with you.
Sir,
I have some other
sir,
people. I'm sorry.
I would like to only 2 or 3 questions.
I
sir.
really appreciate
Sir, please
you.
give me.
I really appreciate
For 30
your
seconds.
arguments.
Only, sir.
I really appreciate
It is
your
matter of
arguments.
30
I'm
seconds, sir.
sorry.
Please allow me, sir.
Ask umpires.
Sir, 30
If
seconds.
they can allow you.
Sir.
My
Sir,
my
now
family members are
my
umpires.
question is from
My
you, sir.
family members are umpires.
Okay, I'm going to ask to all of you. We used to
Please.
see the eagle, the Blake.
Don't ask people. Take the permission from the
Okay.
people, right?
May I ask question to all of you? We are giving permission only for 30 seconds. It will take only 10 seconds. Yeah, will all of you. We used to see the one eagle. We used to see at our villages, but nowadays we are not watching. Are you watching or not? Because they have disappeared from our land because of modernization. People like cab. Because they are increasing and they are thinking that development, modernization is increasing also. But we are forget because we are becoming selfish, superficial and prejudiced person. We are only thinking about ourselves. We are not thinking about planet. In our solar system, only planet is Earth. And
Your
because-
30 seconds is over. I'm sorry.
Because of it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
sir.
Please have a seat. Very
Thank
nice.
you so much, sir.
Great, Upendra. You did well job. I really appreciate your arguments. You have been a great brother of mine today. Who is the most and super excited to be before me and have words with me. I'm going, guys. Nobody's ready. I'm sorry. What is this? Nobody's ready. I'm really going, guys. I'm sorry.
Come.
We are buddies, guys. Come on. It's our family today. You're scared. Don't be. Say, I'm doing it, knowingly, deliberately. I'm doing it
I'm
to
not getting
just.
why you guys are getting afraid.
Are you guys afraid? Hello, Maya. How are you?
Fine,
Fine, fine.
fantastic, fabulous.
Yes. Guys, feel free. Feel free. Let's welcome Garima. Please come to the stage. Hi, Garima. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Right. So, can we start?
Yeah.
See, I'm so afraid
Why?
because I have gynophobia. So, by the way, let's start today, and today's day is gonna be marvelous. Please, what's the topic?
Death penalty should be in India. No,
Should be.
should be.
Hey, guys, do you understand the topic? Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Death penalty should be banned in India.
Should be in India, not banned.
Death,
Should be.
death penalty, right?
Death penalty.
It's kind of imprisonment. In that, death penalty should be in India or
Yeah.
not. And you are saying should be.
Yeah.
No.
It should be.
No.
It should be.
Why? Please tell me.
Firstly, death penalty, actually, some cases in India that, some incident in India which are so cruel, which are so,
Who? Not which. People are
who are so cruel कि we cannot allow them to live in society and to destroy the society.
Who are you to say that?
I am the responsible.
Shame on you.
I am the
Shame on
civilized
you.
person.
Shame on you.
I have knowledge to which things should be the good for the society.
But death penalty?
Death
Are
penalty
you
is
God?
good. Yeah, really.
Are you God?
Sometimes it should be cruel.
The God cannot make a person die. Who are you to kill?
Sir, take one example. A terrorist has right to live. Terrorist should be given the death penalty.
Guys, मुझे मारो. I don't want to talk to you guys.
Why
Who
not?
are you to say a person terrorist? Tell me.
It is.
What is the definition of terrorist?
Terrorist मतलब
are you to say them?
Because in Pulwama,
Arey,
Ajmal Kasab was a terrorist. The Ajmal Kasab has no right and had no right to live in the society. So
You're
why
not-
not we give the
No doubt.
death penalty to Ajmal Kasab?
Just imagine I am from BJP party. Excuse me,
Okay,
wait.
okay.
I love Modi ji, right?
Okay.
And I am in ruling party. Right now I'm ruling, right?
Yeah.
Rahul Gandhi is so dangerous for me.
Yeah.
Of course,
Yeah.
he's opposition leader for me. Then of course,
But how
I
can-
will go for assassination.
No.
Death penalty.
Assassination. There should be some background, na?
Background?
Yes, there should be some cases against the Rahul Gandhi.
Rahul ji,
Then
why not? Why not?
The cruelty. I'm talking of the rear and rarest case.
Opposition leaders can have allegation deliberately. You need to understand.
Allegation means doesn't mean give.
Ma'am, our law, our rule and regulation of this country
So what do you
is.
think about one example? What do you think about the rapist of the minor?
Who are you to say them they are
Why
rapists?
not? I am the.
If someone wait, if someone comes to you and says the cap sir is rapist, excuse me, toba, will you accept that?
It is
Never will you
proved by-
accept that?
No, it is proved by the.
Then
it is
who
proved
are
by
you to
medically-
say a person rapist as a rapist?
When it will prove by the medically,
How can it be
then
proven?
it will
How can it be proven that?
medical inspection by medical inspection we can decide the person is a priest or not.
Okay, if you kill that person,
Yeah.
it's fine. You are going to kill that person.
Yeah.
At least I am not against punishing. We should cut his finger. We should touch the current. We should give him, kind of pain.
Why you want to
Killing one person.
Sir, why you want to live a
For
baseless people
rapist.
in the society?
Arey, for rapist, give me, I will cut his finger first of
Sir,
all. Right.
sir,
I
listen me. Sometime to clean the society, you should take a strong decision that in the future the society will not polluted by such type of person.
Killing a person is
Is
not
the
a
best
solid.
option.
Nah.
Doing counter, doing
nah.
counter is the best option to clean the society.
We in fact need to understand why he did it. We need to read his mindset. It's very important to read that. Like, Saddam Hussein was assassinated.
Yeah.
Why did we do that? See, it was good, right? It was good.
Yeah.
But at least government should have read his mind. Because he was
Or
very
after
intellectual.
reading, what do you want
Arey,
to
we
do?
could have captured Pakistan. We could have captured America. We could have captured Iraq. We could have captured Iran. We could have captured Afghanistan.
There is no relation between capturing and reading mind and giving death penalty.
See, we could understand the
Sometime-
intellectual level, right? I just wanted
Yeah.
to say that, right?
Yeah.
But killing a person doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense.
It's making sense.
Arey, give him punishment.
In my
Not badly
point of-
give him punishment, but don't kill him. Don't
Okay.
kill him.
So
right.
what should we do?
Punishment.
What punishment?
Cut his hand. Cut his leg.
The mind is the most dangerous thing, sir. You cut his hand.
He should be in prison forever. That's a punishment.
Why the government wasting so much money to preserving a cruel person, a criminal person? There is no-
Learn something from Yogi Adityanath. His property will be captured. Bulldozer will go there. Property will be captured. And the property will be sold. The money will be used for that person.
So,
Thank you very much.
Sometimes death penalty necessary. Rarest and rarest.
You have accepted that. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. Your
What
chair is
I
waiting
accepted,
for
I
you.
know.
You have accepted.
I haven't
that.
accepted
What
the
is
point.
this? What is this?
I am just giving the point. First, listen me carefully.
Yes.
Or at least 30 seconds.
Okay.
Sometimes, some person in the society is like that. They haven't right to live. Their mind is like that. Ki if they live, they will create some problem for society. In that situation, if they caught as a doing some criminality in the society, such as rape minor girl and terrorist and cold murder, these are the things which should not be avoided. Which should not be forgiven by the government or the Supreme Court.
See my finger is injured.
Okay.
Will you cut my hand?
No.
Arey, treat this finger. Right?
Sir, there is no time to treating the someone.
If a criminal has done some crime, he should be taught. He should be trained. He should be, sent into jail for being taught.
But in India it is. In India, the death penalty
Ma'am,
is
treat
rare
the
a
finger.
case,
Don't
rare
cut the
a
hand.
case. No,
Treat
rare
the
a
finger,
case.
don't cut the hand.
Yes.
Treat the finger, don't cut the hand.
Why not? Cut the hand or cut the head. hand.
No, don't
There
do
is
that.
no
Don't
talk
do
about
that.
hand.
Please treat him.
Sir, there is
To
no
make him
time
well.
to invest so much money and so much time to treat and to invest. Person should be no. There is no time and money to treat someone.
Mm-hmm.
It means give a संदेश को क्या message to
Message.
society.
Ah.
If someone doing such type of cruelty,
Okay.
they would punished by that type of the things.
Okay. You asked me 30 seconds. Can I take 15 seconds from you?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Imagine a person has raped a girl in society. Imagine Uttar Pradesh,
Yeah.
okay? If he has done by the medical, we have come to know he is really the one who has done the rape. We should open his complete body and we should make him walk. And we all should beat him by stone. No, wait. That embarrassment and insultage, the people will observe from all of us. We will think, oh, I also should not do this. If I do it in future, I will also be like this. This kind of fear will not let anyone do.
Sir, this is not Saudi Arabia. This is the India.
In Saudi Arabia, we do this. Along with constitution, our India has spirituality.
So-
And it teaches beautifully to person to be a person and be a personality as well. Do you understand that?
I understand.
Our spirituality of India teaches us to become a personality. So our spirituality, Hinduism, Islamic things can teach a person to be a well personality. You need to understand that. My main conclusion is that we should teach a person. We should moralize a person. We should literate a person. We should educate a person. We should focus on making a person ethical actually. But you're saying that kill him. Killing is not option.
No,
I'm sorry.
sir. My point is,
Death
listen,
penalty
listen me.
is not good thing.
India is so populated country.
It is.
We haven't such resource to invest money on criminal. Sorry, sir. This is the last option to give them death penalty. It is the best solution in the favor of the country, and also it reduce the money waste, time waste, and all the judiciary cases.
A psychologist told once that कि जो तलाक का मामला है इस्लाम में या किसी भी रिलीजन में, तलाक लड़का दे सकता है, लड़की नहीं दे सकती पहले, राइट? क्यों? क्योंकि लड़की गुस्से में कुछ भी कर सकती है. डेली तलाक दे देगी.
As a woman,
बाबू
I
मेरी
have the
क्रीम
kind
खत्म हो
heart.
गई कल
I
लाना.
have the very
नहीं आई तलाक.
Sir, I have
मंजू, what happened to your husband? तलाक दे दी.
Sir, I am very kind-hearted person, but sometimes you should be cruel.
But boys जो होते हैं ना, they think deeply first, then they divorce. My
I know
point
how
is that,
much
तो आपकी ये mentality, I just wanted to say that you have the mentality of eliminating on the spot without knowing the reality.
नहीं,
Ab-
knowing reality. After knowing reality, after the
Punish,
satisfaction,
punish,
after the certification,
punish,
after the
punish.
provement, after the proof, all
Alright.
the things if you have
I
available.
think I have taken so much time. I really accept you. I really agree with you with some of the points. Thank you so much. You have been the greatest debater of the day. Please have a seat. Very
Thank you so much.
Please take a seat on the stage. Okay, fine. So what topic have you decided to debate?
Boys and girls should be give equality or not?
No or yes? What do you think?
Should.
There should be equality.
Should be give equality.
Excuse me, come on. This is my favorite topic. Come on. Why so? Should be equality.
Should be give equality boys and girls.
Should be given.
Given equality both are.
Okay, equal right should be. Okay.
Equality.
Okay. Huh?
Equality.
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 Okay, fine. Why so?
Why? Because if you are talking about in a earlier time, that time girls was very suppressed.
Girls were suppressed.
Huh,
right?
girls
Yeah, you
were
right. That was
suppressed.
good, of course.
But now this time the day
Boys
by
are
day,
suppressed.
boys,
Nowadays boys are suppressed.
not boys and girls, they have a equality, and I want I want to say that ki in the next generation they will be give more than freedom to girls. They can go anywhere, they can do anything because nowadays they happening ki some society say that you cannot go this side that happening with girls. So I want to say that the society we should be give equality.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Earlier the girls were suppressed. Now there is equality. That's why this era is good.
Yes, sir.
Guys, you know what? On Deepavali, I wanted to go by train, but I couldn't go. You know why? Because of girls' reservation.
What is
One of my students called me. I would like to tell his name, Rishabh. He's from Bihar. Cap sir, I can't go Bihar. I said, why? He's saying, sir, in every coach, Mahila Arachit.
but
Is this equality you're talking about?
that's why I'm saying they both are give equality, and now this time girls have no equality. Girls has no equality.
Girls has no
Matlab-
equality? Achha,
But I want to more than. ज़्यादा चाहती हूँ.
अच्छा यू वांट मोर इक्वालिटी. अरे इतना आरक्षण हो गया है, अभी और चाहिए आपको? Women empowerment and then महिला विकास योजना.
But now this time in my society, in village area, girls has a more
Opportunities.
not opportunity. Society is
opportunities.
very less opportunity to do. Even they are talking about education, but they are not giving
My
education.
dear बहिनी, मेरी चाची, मेरी दादी, मेरी आपा, जो भी आप मेरी लगे. I want to say, नहीं आप चाची तो नहीं, आपा तो नहीं, मेरी बहन है छोटी सी. I want to say that girls have their own beauty. And boys have their own duty and beauty. Why do you want equality in every duty and beauty?
I want because
Okay, no problem.
and girls and boys both are child of his parents.
माँ कसम बड़ी तकलीफ होती है. Whenever I come at 11 o'clock, nobody asks. My अम्मी बेटा जरा ओके बेटा खाना खा लियो. अच्छा नहीं खाओ, जो सो जाओ.
Everyone has a own.
Girls are cared a
Everyone-
lot. Girls are cared a lot. अरे तुम कहाँ हो? 6 बज गए, जल्दी आओ.
Everyone has a own decision to.
Excuse me.
I'm saying everyone has a own decision to spend life. Why anyone?
Ma'am, this is called care. And a philosopher said, one line.
This is not care. They can care to anywhere.
One line. Anju, it is for you and for all the girls. Can I tell you?
Yes, sir.
A dog is loved without condition. Unconditionally. A cat is loved unconditionally. Women and girls are loved unconditionally. But a boy has to have condition to be loved. Yes, sir. That's reality. So if girls are being noticed, it means they're being cared.
It is not care.
Women
It is a-
helpline number.
It is not.
Very nice. Thank you so much. Please sit down. The next person, everybody. Yes, Vaibhav, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you, sir?
I'm great. I was missing you a lot.
I'm also missing you,
I
sir.
couldn't sleep.
I'm also missing you too much, sir.
Excuse me, why?
That's why I
Master come here. Master will debate now. Informal, by the way, it's informal talks. It's problem. No problem.
Exactly, yes. So no problem.
So you can address people what you want and how you want. Cannot.
All right, guys. So as you know that my name is Maz. I have come here today to debate some of the people here. So here before me, Vaibhav is sitting. So Vaibhav, do you have any topic to talk?
first of all I want to ask some point.
Don't be bagula.
Okay.
Just become kabutar, okay? पीछे होगा. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, right.
Yes, sir. First of all, I want to ask some question.
Clarity. First of all. Yes.
First of all, I want to ask some question about Sia asked.
Speak louder, please.
Sia asked some question about overthinking. So, what do you think about the overthinking? Is good for boys or not?
Is this debate?
It is good for all the boys to think more. If they're gonna think more, they're gonna do more.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. It's cheese.
All right.
And what about girls? Just like that.
What about the girls?
Yes, you are saying that
You are
na,
sitting here for
for
the
boys,
debate.
for boys it is good, and also
First of all, just I want to ask you, why are you sitting? You are sitting here for the debate, right?
yes, sir.
So you are just having my only opinion.
I'm not taking
For the, let's talk about the girls. Girls also think.
yes.
Exactly. They should think. Overthink and just
Overthink.
be more thinker. Overthinker they must be. Exactly. No, about everything. About job, about study, about in-laws house as well.
So I want to debate with you on one topic, that is
So why did you ask this question, man? You are changing the topic now again.
my topic was not that. I was just taking a
By the way, so
opinion
what is
from
your
you.
topic? Yeah, no problem.
Government should be privatized or not?
Government?
But government sector should.
Okay,
yes,
okay,
privatization
okay,
should
okay.
be. Yes.
What do you think?
I'm also, sir, supporting yes.
Give your opinion.
According to me, government should be privatize everything because of in the government when they become a teacher, a government teacher. That time he thought I have done everything in my life.
Okay.
I will not teach any students. I will not do anything.
So you want to talk about only teachers and all the things.
Yes.
All the things. And only teachers. You have taken the
No.
example. You have taken the example of teachers only.
All the sectors, there are so many problems facing because of.
Let's have example of police station. For
Yes.
example, police station is going to be private. Private.
Yes, yes.
So all the people will be purchasing. So who will be ruling in this country?
No, sir.
People will become mafia. People will be doing gundai here. Who will be caring?
I'm not saying that. Thank.
All right, so Mr. Weber, thank you very much for having words with me.
Sir,
Good evening.
good evening, everyone. So my topic is stood exam judge a student intelligence.
Of course, yes.
It's not,
Why not? Tell
sir.
me why.
Because sometime many students has lots of intelligence. Many students has lots. Many students have lots of intelligence for the another sector, and in this sector, that sector also they are doing, but they are not able to write.
Of course.
They are not able to write. So it's not mean like a exam. It doesn't mean like a written exam should be there.
An examination cannot decide
Anyone's future.
anyone's future.
Anyone's future.
So it means
Yes, sir.
they should not go to the school. They should go
Why?
to for the skilling themselves.
Yes.
For example, you can take the example of Virat Kohli. You can take the example of Sachin Tendulkar. They should not go to the school.
Excuse me?
If a person is going to school, it means he has to be strong to each and everything.
So that's why I said na, a person wants to
the-
go.
for
Sir, listen.
them, school is not there.
I want to say, sir,
Yeah.
school is there.
Yes.
School is there.
Yes.
Exam is not important.
Of course.
If
So,
people
okay,
wants
okay.
to learn anything, no need to go for.
So how can
sir,
we-
we are
how-
here now. Listen to me,
Okay.
sir. We are here. We are learning English.
Exactly.
No any types of exams.
Yeah, of course.
Here is no any types
Okay.
of rule or regulation for tracking the exam. We are taking.
No. Just
Sir,
say,
sir,
okay.
listen, sir. We are taking here.
If you will not be able to speak well, CAF sir is not going to give you certificate.
Sir, it's a good na. Sir,
Why
it's
not?
a good na.
It is.
Sir,
it
it's
is
a good.
That is your examination.
No.
She is saying that in Weltow there is no exam.
What is this saying?
Sir, it's not mean like we are here. It doesn't mean, sir. Here is like we are here, na. We have not any types of burden like.
Why not?
Within.
On each and every Saturday we conduct public speaking. That is your examination.
That's what I said, na. Each and every Saturday, okay.
Exactly, yes.
But in our 12th and all these the sector, it's not mean we have to do. only. It doesn't mean. we have-
Ma'am, you need to understand you are coming here to skill yourself.
Yes, sir.
You are not going to pass your any class here.
Sir, that's what I also
You are
said,
not
na,
going to
no.
change your standard.
Sir, That's what I also said, Nan. Exam is not be there.
If
Build your skill,
just suppose, for example, there is no any examination.
Yes, sir.
So how a person can just can be promoted in other standard?
So it can be.
How? Tell me, for example, I am nothing. For example, I don't know anything. So if my teacher is going to promote me, it means he just cheating. He just, spoiling my future. If I am able to crack that examination, then I can. And I deserve to go in next standard.
Sir, you said if I crack the exam,
Yeah,
so
it means
I
I
will
am
be
eligible to go in
another state.
Exactly.
3 hours exam cannot be done,
Why not?
cannot decided the future. And
That
who's
is
very-
not only for 3 hours examination. They
What,
are checking your whole year's struggle.
Sir, that's why I also said that, sir, by writing some student-
That's why they are checking how better just you have studied.
Sir, that's why I also said, many students had lots of knowledge, but they are not able to write that time.
So why are they going to
people-
school? First of all, they have to understand why they are going to school.
Sir,
If a person is going to school, it means he has to be a writer,
sir,
reader,
like we are
listener.
sitting here, sir.
Exactly, yes.
Sir, here is many student, like a
People
some-
are coming here for only speaking. All the people are speaking here. Wow,
Sir,
mashallah.
here is many student.
Huh?
Many students has lots of many students have lots of good point,
Exactly.
but they are not able to speak that time. So I want to say that if exam should not be there, then student can be go ahead.
Okay. For example, if as you have given the example, there are many people. They have so many points, right? But they are unable to express. If CAF sir is not going to conduct competition, they will be just like jhurru.
So conduct
Exactly. CAF sir is conducting kind of the examination so that they can just push themselves to go ahead.
So it's a good, na?
So it's
Like,
good.
because
That
of the
is- that
exam,
examination,
sir,
that is good.
Because of the exam, like stress, like it's
Because
exam
of
is
stress, they are going to develop. It's
Not-
good. Exactly.
Sir,
Yes.
here is many,
Yes.
sir, because of the exam stress, many students had lots of intelligence, and if they are not cracking the exam, their parents and their friends are judging by that things.
They
But
must be
they are
they
not-
must be judged
They
because
are-
parents are paying, parents are working hard for that. If they are not showing the result, what is the use of going to school?
Sir, thank you, sir.
Boy, Shalini, you have just spoken well. Just I had to speak just like this. You are absolutely right. But for making you speak and for debating, I have to be against you. That was fantastic. You had just great points. Thank you very much for having words with me.